everyone. Today we have this Ryobi auto feed weed eater string replacement. Now I did not get sent this by the company. I purchased this myself because I have a Ryobi weed eater and needed some replacement string. Now inside of this is a kit, so got our little seal here. So you can see we get 3 of the little replacement lids. Nice that they include these. Not certain that you'll necessarily need them, but you know, hey, they're there. And then a dozen string replacements for your Ryobi weed eater. They look exactly the same as the real ones for Ryobi. I don't think I'll have any issues with these whatsoever. And basically on your weed eater, you'll be able to press this to pop off your cap. Your other one will slide out. You'll slide this one on, put your string through the hole, pop your cap back on, and you're good to go. So that's essentially it for this 15-piece Ryobi string replacement from YWTesch. This is everything you'd get here. Perfect for the Ryobi weed eater user. Thank you all for watching. As I said, I bought this myself. It was not sent to me by the company, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.